In this video, you'll learn how to increase the font size in WordPress. Increasing the font size in WordPress can be beneficial for several reasons, and it often contributes to a better user experience. With the increasing use of mobile devices, having a font size that's readable on smaller screens is crucial. Larger fonts ensure that your content remains legible on various devices. Search engines consider user experience as a ranking factor. If your website is user-friendly and provides a positive experience, it may indirectly contribute to better search engine rankings. We'll be focusing both on the block editor and the classic editor. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, these techniques will help you customize the font size of your text content. Now, before we get started, be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get future updates on various WordPress videos that we're going to post. So, let's log into the WordPress dashboard. We'll hover over Posts, and we'll click on Add a new post. I'm creating a new post to explain it to you better. Let's enter the heading and the paragraph sentence over here. This is the paragraph block. You can see as of now there are no controls to increase the font size. Let's publish this post first, and then we'll view it from the front, and you can see this is how the post appears. There are no controls to change the font size of the paragraph in WordPress. Now, the first thing we can do to change the font size is to use headings. To do so, let's move back, hover over Posts, and click on All Posts. Simply edit the existing post or create a new post. The block editor in WordPress provides a simple way to control font size by using headings. First, you need to identify the paragraph block. You can simply click on here and see this icon right here, which means it's a paragraph block. You can also click on the list icon here and the block type like this. We need to change the type of font to change its size. Let's convert it to a heading block. To do so, click on it here, and you can transform it to a heading like this. You can see it's now been changed to a heading. Now you have the control to select the desired heading level. You can select as per your requirements. Once done, simply update the changes, and let's now view the post from the front. Now the same thing you can do here in Classic Editor. You can see this is the paragraph text, and this is the heading text over here. Let's preview the changes first, and you can see this text and the heading in the front. Moving back, simply select the text here and click over here. You can select the desired heading level here. Once everything's in place, click on Update. Now let's view the changes live. You can see the change in font size over here. So this was the first method by which you could change the font size. Now let's talk about the second method. This one only works with the block editor. The block editor also provides a straightforward way to adjust font size without changing the block type. So let's move back to the block editor. Simply click over here. While editing a paragraph block, look for the block-based options on the right side. Find the typography size option, which allows you to choose from different font sizes. Select the appropriate size from here as required. You can see the changes when selected. Once done, click on Update. Let's view the post from the front. You can see this is how it works. Now you can view more related settings over here. You can set the custom size as needed, You can explore some advanced settings as well. Clicking on the three dots here, you can even reset the changes. Once done, click on the Update button. And this is how easy it is with a block editor to change font size without actually changing the block type. Now, the users who prefer the classic editor, we have one more method for this. We'll achieve the functionality using a plugin. Move back to the WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click on Installed Plugins. Let me activate the classic editor first. And now you can see the classic editor has been activated. Simply hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Now search for an advanced editor tool. From various plugins, this is the one that we're looking for. This is the plugin from Automatic. You can see the plugin rating here. So simply click on Install Now, and once installed, click on Activate. Before configuring the plugin, let's configure its settings first. This plugin works with both editors. If we go to the classic editor, you can see the menu options here. This is the menu that you'll see in the classic editor. Now, you'll easily be able to change the font size as required. You need to make sure that this editor menu is enabled. You can even edit the menu items here. You can drag the specific button from here like this if needed. You can even adjust their position. Once everything's in place, simply scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now let's check the plugin in action. For that, hover over Posts and click on All Posts. Simply edit any post over here. You can see the editor menu here. You can easily add paragraph text here and customize it. You can increase the font size from here. Once done with the changes, click on the Update button. Now let's view the post from the front. You can see this is how the plugin works. Now let's view it when using the block editor. Let's deactivate the classic editor plugin here. And moving back to Posts, and then going to All Posts, let's edit the post here. You can see the editor menu over here to use. If it doesn't appear, you can simply click on Add Block option here. Search for Classic, and you can select Classic Paragraph over here. You can simply use it to style the text as you'd like. Once satisfied with the changes, click on the Update button. Now you can simply view the post live. You can see this is how easy it is to use this plugin to increase font size and even to style your text easily. Now, in case you don't want to use this plugin, then there's a more powerful and flexible solution. You can use the WP Code plugin to apply CSS snippets. To do so, let's move back to WordPress Admin Dashboard. Hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugins. Simply search for the WP Code. From the list of various plugins, this is the plugin that we're looking for. So click on Install Now, and you can see the excellent rating of the plugin as well as check the compatibility with your WordPress version over here. Once installed, click on Activate. Let's configure the plugin now. Hover over Code Snippets and click on Add Snippet. Let's add a custom code snippet over here. Let's give this snippet a name over here. From the code type, select CSS snippet. Now let's enter the CSS to change the font size. I'll mention the code in the description below so you can copy it from there. Don't forget to activate the code from here. Once done, simply click on the Save snippet. This code will work across the WordPress site. This method allows for site-wide customization of font size using a simple CSS snippet. You can explore other additional settings as well here. Now let's create a new post and test the plugin. Simply give this post a name over here, and we'll add the paragraph text over here. Once done, publish the post. Let's view the post from the front, and you can see it appears here in the desired font that we entered. This is how easy it is. Now, moving back, adding another block here, let's enter the paragraph text over here. In case you still want to change the text size, you can select the size from the typography options given over here. Let's now preview the changes. And this is how easy it is. Now, moving next to the Classic Editor to see if the plugin works with the Classic Editor as well, we'll enter the text over here. And once done, click on Update. Now it's time to view the post live. You can see here that it appears in the desired font size that we entered. Increasing font size in WordPress is crucial for enhancing readability, accessibility, and overall user experience. Whether you prefer the block editor or the classic editor, these methods offer flexibility and control over your website's typography. Experiment with these techniques to find the font size that best suits your website's design and content. Remember, choosing an appropriate font size not only improves user engagement, but also contributes to a more visually appealing and accessible website. And this was all about how to change or increase the font size in WordPress. In case you're looking for more videos related to WordPress, then I'm linking a few of them in the description. You can click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.